Sibibuilt at the moment, and we are getting cam tabs done. Finally, it's one of those things that I've been putting off for a long time, and in the long run, it's just probably cost me a whole lot more money than just getting it done. I'm aligning my truck all the time. It's constantly slipping out of alignment, whether it be off-road or daily driving. I'm convinced it's not up anymore. I feel like after 4 years of constant abuse, it's finally just taken a shit. So that's what's on the list today. The shop I'm going to is Sibibuilt. It's a shop that I absolutely love and I trust, and I think that's the biggest thing when coming to a shop is that you trust. I'm gonna film a little bit when I get there. Cam tabs again is what we're doing, and yeah, we'll see you there. Morning time, and I can finally get to see how these cam tabs turned out, and really get to see it, because last night it was pretty dark. And so I'm really excited about this. Let's go ahead and take a look. And look at that. And there we go. The littlest parts make the biggest of differences sometimes, and that is the cam tabs. See, that just kind of holds it there more in place, all reinforced. They did a really good job, painted over it obviously, so no rust issues. It looks really good. And then moving on to the front, here we are. That's it. Right behind the skid plate there. It looks awesome. Look at that, everything's nice and marked. So, in case anything were to move. But that is awesome. I am tired of having alignments all the time, and this looks amazing. They did a great job. So yeah, guys, that's the cam tabs. You know, like I was saying, I'm super psyched on this. If you're like me and your alignment's falling out all the time, you're on the trail and you're sick and tired of getting alignments, you know, every month, this helps. It could kind of throw out a place again, but you know what? There's a lot less of a chance. So shout out Sibibuilt. Thank you guys. Always appreciated. And next we are doing the panhard correction. So March 2nd is my appointment for that. So we'll be doing a quick video on that too. I'll let you guys tune in and kind of let you know how it goes. So we'll see you in the next one.